In this video, we'll show you how to transfer stickers from Telegram to WhatsApp. This method will work for both static and animated stickers. Go to Telegram and search for TGTOW, a bot. Select this Telegram stickers to WhatsApp transfer bot. Click on Start button. Send the Telegram sticker link to bot. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. Bot will send the stickers in the format supported by WhatsApp. You need Sticker Maker app to open this file. I will leave the link in the description. Install the app and then click on the file sent by bot. Choose Sticker Maker app. Click on Add to My Library button. Click on Add to WhatsApp button. Sticker is now added to WhatsApp. To view and send this sticker, open any WhatsApp chat and click on sticker icon. You will see the sticker you installed from Telegram here. If the first bot didn't work, you can use TG2W, a sticker bot. Steps are same: send the sticker or sticker link to bot. Wait few seconds to receive sticker file. Open sticker file using Sticker Maker app. Add to WhatsApp. That's it. You should now see Telegram sticker in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Please support us by subscribing to our channel for more videos.